So minus 7 into 3
minus
is how much?
21.
Minus 21. And how much is minus 19 plus 5? Yes, minus 19
minus
plus 5.
14.
Yes, correct. Minus 14 plus y3. Now you take minus 14 on the other side. So this becomes minus 21 plus 14 equal to y3. Okay. How much is minus 21 plus 14? We'll have to do the subtraction. Yes, how much is it?
Minus 7.
7.
Yes, minus 7.
Minus 7. So value of y3 is minus 7. So we have got the coordinates now. So finally we can say that therefore the coordinates of point C is minus 1 comma minus 7. Okay, is this sum clear?
Yes.
Understood this sum? Okay. Write it down.
Done writing.
Okay, we'll move on to the ninth one. Okay, I'll explain the ninth one and I would want you to solve the ninth one. See, in the ninth one, A, coordinate of A is h comma minus 6, B with coordinates 2 comma 3, and C with coordinates minus 6 comma k. These are the coordinates of vertices of a triangle, and this triangle has a centroid G, and the coordinates of the centroid is given to you, which is 1 comma 5. You have to find out the value of h and k. You just try to understand this with the help of this diagram. So triangle A, B, C. I'll name this triangle A, B, and C. A has coordinates h comma minus 6. B has coordinates 2 comma 3. And C has coordinates minus 6 comma k. Centroid is given to you, G. And the coordinates of the centroid is also given 1 comma 5. What you have to find out, you have to find the value of h and you have to find the value of k. Okay, so you use the centroid formula. So when you use the formula, centroid formula for x, so what is the centroid formula for x to find the value of x? x1 plus x2
Plus x2 plus
plus
x3 upon
x3
3.
upon 3. If you solve this, once you solve and simplify this, you will get a value of h. And then you use the formula for y, that is y1 plus y2
Plus
plus y3 upon
y3
3.
upon 3.
You solve this. After solving this, you get the value of k. Okay. So you say let coordinates of A, this to be x1, y1. You take coordinates of B to be x2, y2, and coordinates of C to be x3, y3, and the centroid, you take it to be x comma y. Substitute the values in this formula and find out the value of h. Will you be able to do this?
Yes.
Okay, try for x and tell me. Use this formula, and when you solve this, you will get value of h. Substitute the values first.
H equals to 7.
Let me just check now.
Shall I do the next of
Yes.
y
Yes.
first?
Yes. Do the y one. I'll check. If h equal to 7 is correct.
K equals to 18.
Correct. K is equal to 18.
Yes, done. Should I show it to you or?
Yes. Answers are correct anyways, but still let me see. Yes, correct. Show me for K. No. You're showing me the wrong page. Yes, correct. Good. Yeah. Okay. 10th one. This is also easy. Understand the question first. What the question says.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yesterday.
Sorry, I got disconnected. No, you're on mute. You're on mute. Unmute yourself.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, I can see
Okay.
the screen.
So we'll understand the question first. And in this question, it is said, find the coordinates of the points of trisection. Okay. What is the meaning of trisection? Okay, before that, tell me the meaning of bisection. What do you mean by bisection? If I say
When you
bisection,
bisect anything into equal parts.
two equal parts, that is called bisection. Okay, so when I
Two
say
equal parts.
bisection, so that means two equal parts. So what do you mean by trisection then? How many equal parts?
Three equal parts.
Three equal parts, correct. So bisection is two equal parts and trisection means three equal parts. Okay, so in this question, it is said find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment AB with A having coordinates 2, 7 and B having coordinates minus 4, minus
Minus 8.
8. So that means you have a line segment AB. You have a line segment AB. So I'll name this A and I'll name this B. A has coordinates 2, 7. B has coordinates minus 4, minus 8. Now, this line segment AB is divided into how many parts? How many parts?
Three.
3 parts. So, 1 and 2. So, you see this is one part, this is the second part, and this is the third part. And will each of these parts be equal? Will it be equal?
No.
When I say bisection, bisection means it is dividing into two equal
Okay, yeah.
parts. So when you say
Yes,
trisection, trisection means
yes.
3 equal parts. So it will be equal. So
Yes.
let this point be P and let this point be Q. So what in this question they are saying is, in this question they are asking to find the coordinates of P and the coordinates of Q.
Okay.
Okay. So AP equal to PQ equal to QP. So all of these three are equal to each other. Now we have to find coordinates of P. So I'll say that coordinates of P be x1, y1, and you have to find coordinates of Q. That coordinates of Q be x2, y2. Is the question clear now? What is given and what has to be found
Yes,
out?
yes, yes, yes.
Now, can you try to guess which formula should I use to find out the value of coordinates of P and Q? Which formula will be
Section
better?
formula.
Section formula. Yes, correct. Section formula. But for section formula, if you see, I'll write the section formula. For section formula, what do we need? We need
X1, Y1.
You need x1, y1, and also the main thing that you require is the ratio.
M and N.
Yes, the ratio
Yeah.
M and N. But is the ratio given?
No,
the ratio is not given. But we can find out the ratio. Okay, we can find out the ratio. First, we'll start with finding out the point XP, x1, y1. First, we'll start finding out this point. Okay. Now, if you see, look at segment AB. Okay. So, in segment AB, P divides segment AB in a ratio. Now, in what ratio it divides, that we have to find out. So that you can find out by doing AP upon AP will be M. Okay, so this will be M and this will be N. This part, is this clear? Yes.
I did not understand.
Okay, this sum will do it in our next class. It will take approx 10 to 15 minutes. It will do.
Okay.
We'll do fresh. We'll start fresh the sum because there are more two types of the same sum. So 11th is 4.
Yes,
This
4 equal parts and
yeah,
5
and
equal
then 5
parts.
equal parts. So better we'll do it. We'll start it fresh in our next class. So you have homework, and that is these two sums, and practice the
Yes.
remaining sums also, the sums that we did today, centroid sums. And one more thing I would want you to practice is these example sums here, except the trisection one, remaining all. So you see this example 4 is a trisection one that we'll do in our next class. Don't do it. Except this trisection one, do the remaining sums, remaining example sums also. Practice. Okay?
Except example 4.
Yes, example, because that is a trisection one. So that we'll do in the next class.
Okay.
Okay? So we'll meet next week, same days. Okay?
Yeah.
Tuesday,
Tuesday.
Thursday, Friday. Okay, so now next we'll meet on Tuesday. Right? Till that you
Yes.
practice. I will check your homework and I'll send, if there is any correction, then
Yes.
I'll send an email.
Yeah. I'll send you the test once I've
Yes,
done again.
I saw
and
that. Yeah, I saw that. But
Yeah.
I think you have not done all. Wait, I have-
No, I've done the ones which are wrong.
Oh, okay. Which are wrong. Okay, fine. Fine. And one more thing. Are you able to view the recordings that I'm sending?
Yes, yes.
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 So what I have done is I have shared the entire folder. So as in how I keep uploading recordings in that folder, you'll be able to view. So no need for me to send one by one each video, each recording. Okay?
Yes.
Fine. So we'll meet on Tuesday next.
Oh,
Practice.
bye. Thank you.
Bye.